What's going on, YouTube? This is Overdrive RC, and today we're looking at the quick release kit for the Vesla.5. Now, basically, it's just a quick install on how I installed it, basically. But the install, you get your pins, and your pins will go in your side of your body right here, your pins. Now, the ones on the side, you will have to put the it comes with a nut that goes on the sides, so you can identify the side ones, because the side one's gonna have an actual nut that goes on the side pieces, side pins basically. And then the rear, you basically the rear, you just screw these in. They just screw directly in right here. Then you got the two that goes in the front. Now the front right here, the two that goes in the front, they will be in the body, not on the car, but they'll go on the body like so. You can see them. They go like that. So basically, you would take your front of your skid plate off the front, then you just put your two pins in, and then reinstall your front skid plate for the front. Now you will have to drill these side pieces here, this side, this one, and this one. You have to drill out the fit, because these are bigger than the actual hole that's here. So you have to drill these out to fit. Also, you have to drill the side of your body. The side of your body right here, you will have to drill to fit that pin. And once you get them all in, just basically install. You just line it up. Well, we'll start with the back. Trying to basically I line it up with the bike first. The bike line up. Then put your side pieces on your front. Well, your sides. Set you up. Set you up. You basically just gonna insert the front, take the body back off, insert the front, then your sides. Then your other side. Then it's a lot easier. So like I said, you will have to drill your side of your body out to fit to that pin to come out on your sides. You just insert your pins. Bam. Rear. Got your pins. Insert your pins. Bam. Quick release. Simple video on the quick release kit for the cracking Vesla.5. Just look at her. Yeah, she's pretty decent. We got a graphic kit on the way. We're gonna change these graphics. Get a little touch up on her. But quick release, like I said, definitely have to have it for a Vesla, because you do not want to have to take all these screws out of this body to get to the inside of this car. So, but yeah, that she is in a nutshell. The quick release kit for the cracking Vesla. Like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.